Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Albany local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of qualified movers will ensure your long-distance move goes properly. No matter how far you want to move, our qualified team of movers can make it a lot easier. Moving isn't simple. However, using the right moving service can definitely make it a lot simpler. Along with the standard long-distance moving services, we also offer all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to justify the cost when hiring a California moving company. A deeper look at the advantages you get from a local moving company may help you realize why it's a smart choice. You gain the advantage of conserving time on your local move, which might be well worth it. You will get to minimize the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our crew of expert movers will certainly ensure your move is quite efficient. You do not need to stress over devoting multiple days handling your move when you select 3 movers to help. Moving locally can be very quick, and our team can handle even a large move in just a single afternoon. When you're ready to choose the best Albany moving company, it's time to contact us now. Our Albany moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.